Many decades have passed, many things have changed, but still one thing remains the same: the craze on the Royal Enfield. Literally, the love towards the Royal Enfield grows day by day, and the only mission ever that loved by a different age group. Even though we have many modern motorcycles with the latest onboard electronics, the Castaigne Bullets still remains a strong player and a strong contender in the highly contested midweight segment. In front of us is a 96 model Castaigne Bullet 350, a completely restored motorcycle. The proportion of paint job and the chromed fenders might give an Electra appeal, but this is a proper point vehicle. The paint job was neatly done. Royal Enfield 3D monogram on the tank looks so good. Both the chrome fenders gives a mirror finish. The neatly buffed restored powertrain will approximately pumps out 18 bhp of max power and 26.9 Nm of peak torque. The right side 4-speed gearbox will have a gear pattern of 1 up and rest down. The folding kicker started its journey since 1993 until the kicker was an unfoldable one. The massive Madras seat looks so prominent and some shorter riders might find it tiptoe. The chrome mirrors gives a premium look. The exhaust was not a stock one which comes with the vehicle, yet I love the beat sound it offered. The exhaust, crash guard and the battery box, everything is from the brand quality. Regarding electrical, the power source is from a 12 volt 9A battery. On the dash, the meters were the latest. Undoubtedly, older Enfields are still a ruler and can perform well on any given day. Definitely, it's an undisputed king still for many decades if the emission norm permits.